So in many ways, 20 years ago when this book first came out
Right.
or so, educators were adopting it kind of formally and informally.
Yeah.
And then about a decade ago, Lonnie, it kind of got transferred into what is now the Leader in Me.
Correct.
Talk
Right.
about, Gary, the Leader in Me process.
So quick history. This book came out in 1998. We had designed a one-day workshop called the Student Achievement Workshop.
Okay.
We were going around the country doing one-day 7 Habits for Teens workshops, going fantastic. Students loved it. Adults are saying, boy, I wish I had that when I was their age. Just great stuff, but it was an event, right? It was a one-day event, and events kind of go away over time.
Right.
The Leader in Me book was written in 2008 with a strong focus on elementary.
Right.
Now, the pendulum is swinging back up to high school. So we brought the process in. We have brand new content. We're so excited about this because the beauty of the high school model is we turn it over to the students right away. Students own it, they drive it, and the teachers, the adults in the building are more clear of the path people. So it's ready to explode.